Now we are going to talk about ToNumber function. The ToNumber function is used to convert a text value to a number. So here you can see I have taken an example of this quantity multiply this unit cost, which is coming from this Excel file. We have this quantity and unit cost. I want to multiply this quantity and unit cost, and then I want total. Let me start from main, right click, set next stage, and right click here and run to this stage. If you see here in the collection, now we have this value quantity 3 that is stored in the text data type, and 2.16 that is also stored in a text. So how can we multiply this? Let me show you here. Now we are going here and now click on this ToNumber, right click, set next stage, and now if we are going to multiply this, we are getting this error. So failed to evaluate expressions, can't multiply a text. So we will not able to multiply a text value because these two numbers are text. So how can we convert? So you know that to overcome this issue, first we need to convert these text values to number. So we'll write here ToNumber. You can also find out from here we have ToNumber, open and close bracket. So each expression should be, each a filled value should be converted now. So again we need to put here ToNumber. If you leave this one, again you will not able to multiply because this will be in the text and this will be in the number. So we have to convert both the values to a number. Now click OK. Now click step. Now you can see here this has been successfully passed here to next stage, and now our value is 6.48. If you see here, we have this value 3 multiply 2.16. So 3 multiply 2.16. So output is 6.48. So you can see here we have this value 6.48.